Hi ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Kehopotse and I'm back with another one. Did you know that subscribing to my YouTube channel, you'll get a whole lot of great luck in your life? I mean, think about it and do the right thing. Okay, today we are taking Lightroom and how to get a how to play and manipulate the colors of your image so that you can get those nicely blended colors and then like bring your image to life. Because basically me, I'm just a graphic designer, man, slash forward a cinematographer, so, and a director. So basically what I like to do is that I like to play around with some colors. I don't like keeping it natural, because for me, like, I best believe that natural is boring in a way, but then some believe in basics and all that. But then today I'm going to teach you how to turn your images into like a nicely blended type of manipulated, you know, and the make you know the drill, man. But without wasting any more time, let's get it. Here we are in Adobe Lightroom, man. This is where the magic happens. Basically, we are going to change this image. I feel like this image is so boring, you know. It's like everyone is just taking pictures like this, put them on their Instagram, put them on their social account, and they look basic, man. I mean, like, everyone has an iPhone these days, so you can get this kind of pictures with any kind of phone, you know. So like, now what we're gonna do is that we are trying to achieve something different, a wow factor. But then without wasting any more time, man, let's get it. Woo! Can't wait. So here on your panel, you just gotta like play around with some few things, certain things here and there, and get the type of look that you want. Depending on the kind of picture that you're working on, you'll get some different looks. But I hope you take this with a grain of salt. So yeah, here we are on the temperature, which is like we're going on the colder side. Then after going on the colder side, we take it to the color calibration, man. If you can get the color calibration right, I swear to you, I swear, nothing can defeat you. I mean, like, ooh, yo, it's a great day, it's a great day. Okay, right now we are going to like play around with some colors. I mean, there's no an algorithm or anything of that nature. All you gotta do is just try to achieve what you want. But then you can see the difference right now. I just tweaked here and there. Look at that, man, look at that. But we are going to go intense on this one, man. Then like, now we want to separate our model from the background. What you gotta do is just put in the radial filter, man. This does them things. This does them things. I don't know why I never knew about it all along. Then what you gotta do is just filter out your model, and then after like make your background a little bit darker. You see, now the model is popping, man. It's popping. But to get it, bro, we want to take this thing to another level. But take this thing to another level. Now that your model is popping and all that, you just have to like play around, and then get where you want to be, and then boom, man, boom. Now you have to put in some more contrast, and look at that, look at that. Now let's change our background. Let's change our background. Let's come here on our curves, just on here on the blue side of things. Like, put in some points there. Then like, you see, it's becoming more warmer or more colder. But then we'll come back here. We'll come back here. I just want to come around here on our HSL. Back to our HSL. HSL. Woo, 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 woo. Then on our HSL, what you gotta do, we go to luminance, and then we pop in, no, it's too much, no, yeah, we pop in some colors, you can make it a little bit darker, you can make it a little pop. It's all up to you, it's all up to you. I'm just showing you the basics. See what I just did there? Did you see what I just did there? It's fire, man, it's fire. I don't want to lie to you. And then we come here to our situation, like make that blue color intense, and then look at that. Wow, man, love. If you're not in love with this, then I don't know what you want, man. I don't know. Now we play around with the lipstick. Look at it, look at it. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Then back to our calibration. Oh, sorry. But then let's look at the before and the after. We're making progress in this. We're making progress, man. I don't want to lie. I swear. After showing you this, I want to see some dope pictures coming from you, man. Cause you know, I can't waste my time doing all this just for some Then look at that. Go to the shadows and think that then yeah. Then, but I want that red to come back. How can I bring that red? Like, you have to come here. Then now the image is becoming more red, and then you just have to come on the blue side, and then you know the drill. You do them things, and then look at that, man. Look at that. We made some progress. Look, before and after. Wow, wow. Now we turn a boring image into something interesting, and that's what I like to see. That's what I like to see, man. Oh, my model is popping. I feel like I can use this picture anywhere and get some more likes in this. Oh, I almost saw, but that's how it is. That's how it is, man. Let's just try to keep it PG. Let's try to keep it PG, and then yeah, go to presence, and then increase your vibrance. Look at that, man. But then you have to decrease a little bit of your saturation, and then yeah, I feel like it's more beautiful this way. I feel like it's more beautiful. Like you can do a whole lot of different things, get a whole lot of different feel. You know, it all depends on what you're trying to achieve. But I feel like I achieved, and then I don't want to keep this long. I don't want to lie to you. You know, keeping it simple and short and yet straight to the point. I hope you understood the basics and everything that I wanted to show you. I mean, look at the before and look at the after. Then let's get it. Okay, that's it for today, man. You know, I'm feeling myself, and I just hope that you took that with a grain of salt, and then you took some few pointers here and there, and then I guess I'll see you on another one. Do you want another one? I don't know, it's totally up to you, but then I would appreciate if you subscribe to my channel so that I can keep these tutorials going, because when I see a person coming in, I'm like, oh, I have to up my game, man. I have to up my game. Then yeah, man, see you on another one. Fireball, fire style jutsu.